f'dan il-programm jidhru xi prodotti kummerċjali. Dan il-programm huwa adattat għal kull età.
Is-sena tat-tajba minna ftit ieħor ser jibda prime time tal-lejla. Il-lejla ħallaqgħukom ma' ġurnalist u editur. Ħallaqgħukom ma' Kamil Willinsky, imwieled fil-Polonjha, għex f'numru ta' bliet Ewropej, ilu jgħix Malta 3 snin. Kamil jirrakkonta li mal-wasla tiegħu Malta mill-ewwel baqa intrigat u affaxxinat bil-ġmiel ta' veduti li għandna f'pajjiżna. Kif beda jgħix hawnhekk, tant bdiet tinteressah l-istorja ta' Malta, tant beda jinteressah il-pajjiż li rrid isir jaf iktar dwar in-nies li jagħmlu dan il-pajjiż. U fil-fatt għalhekk nieda magazine diġitali, Wilinsky Magazine, li jista' jitqies bħala arkivju diġitali tal-personaġġi prominenti Maltin. Il-lejla mingħand Kamil li rrid nisma' naqra gossip dwar dawn il-personaġġi kollha li ltaqa' magħhom, però apparti minn hekk ukoll għal Kamil għandi sfida. Naf li jħobb l-ikel Kamil u għalli għandi sfida li ħallaqa l-ikel tradizzjonali Malti mal-lingwa Maltija. Niltaqgħu ma' Kamil minn hawn u ftit ieħor. Nhar is-Sibt 25 ta' Marzu, id-dinja kollha tfakkar The Earth Hour, sija simbolika fejn kulħadd jitfi d-dawl, jintfgħu numru ta' siti storiċi, jitnaqqas il-konsum tad-dawl biex id-dinja litteralment tieħu nifs. Il-Ministeru għall-Ambjent, l-Enerġija u l-Intrapriża ta' kull sena jingħaqad mal-190 pajjiż madwar id-dinja sabiex inkunu parti minn dan l-avveniment hekk importanti. Avveniment li jfakkarna li l-prattiċi tagħna matul is-sena għandhom ikunu prattiċi li jirrispettaw l-ambjent. Affarijiet żgħar fir-rutina li bihom jekk hemm il-darba nosservawhom fil-ħajja ta' kuljum huma affarijiet żgħar li jagħmlu differenza kbira. Eżempju wieħed huwa li dejjem għandna nikkonsmaw iktar frott u ħoxix lokali tal-istaġun. L-ikel proċessat ħafna drabi jinvolvi ħafna iktar emissjonijiet fil-linja tal-produzzjoni biex jasal għandna. Kif ukoll hemm ħafna trasport involut biex jasal għandna u allura jiżdiedu l-emissjonijiet. Il-frott u ħaxix lokali tal-istaġun, apparti milli huwa aktar bnin u jagħmel ħafna iktar tajjeb għas-saħħa tiegħek milli ikel proċessat, ikun ukoll qiegħed jirrispetta l-ambjent. Esperimenta iktar forsi b'sopop li jkunu magħmulin mill-ħxejjex, platti li huma magħmulin mill-ħxejjex, kif ukoll mill-frott lokali tal-istaġun. Minn hawn ftit ieħor ħajibda l-istaġun tal-frawli, waħda mill-iktar frotti versatili tista' tagħmel kreazzjonijiet tajbin u appetitużi biha. Ftakar, The Earth Hour, nhar is-Sibt 25 ta' Marzu, ninaqdu mad-dinja kollha għal siegħa bejn 8:30 filgħaxija u 9:30 filgħaxija biex id-dinja tieħu nifs. Issa nagħtu bitu għal prime time. Sigla ħanbiddel malajr.
Prime time qed jiġi mossal lilkom grazzi għal
This is the new Toyota Rona
at Continental Cars.
United Colors of Benetton.
Sterimar Block Nose Baby, prodott naturali, mamur mill-ilma bahar. Sterimar, nifs aħjar, ħajja aħjar.
Experience life with Bridgepoint.
Is-sena tat-tajba u nilqakom għal prime time illum l-4 15 ta' Marzu. Tinsewx mhux dan il-weekend li ġej, imma l-weekend ta' wara indawru s-sija. Indawru s-sija l-ħin tas-sajf. Ħafna jieħdu gost għax ovvjament nibdew ngawdu ġranet itwal, però dak il-lejl li ndawru s-sija letteralment norqdu sija inqas għax ovvjament ikun hemm sija inqas għax inkunu dawwarna s-sija. Ħafna jirrakkontaw li din il-bidla fil-ħin ikollha wkoll effett fuqhom, jibdew ħossuhom iktar għajjenin, forsi jsibuha naqra iktar diffiċli biex jorqdu li personali ma teffettwanix, anzi il-fatt li l-ġranet jiġu itwal hija xi ħaġa li anke l-burdata tiegħi tagħmilha aħjar. Infakkarkom ukoll li dan il-weekend pitada ħanniedu proġett interessanti aħna ta' prime time. Kull weekend ħanibdew nkunu qegħdin magħkom b'memorji interessanti minn vjaġġ sabiħ li għamilna fil-Gżira ta' Sqallija u għal dan il-vjaġġ ma kontx qiegħed waħdi. Kollox jibda nhar il-ġimgħa li ġej fit-8 u 10 ta' filgħaxija. Wasal il-ħin biex illaqgħakom mal-mistieden tiegħi l-lejla. Il-mistieden tiegħi l-lejla fil-ħajja tiegħu jispiraw in-nies pożittivi u n-nies biżla. Nilqa' miegħi lil Kamil Willinsky. Hello, Kamil.
Owen.
How are you doing?
Always a pleasure. Very good.
You may have a seat. I'll go and have a seat at my usual spot. I was just speaking now in Maltese and explaining that not this weekend, but the one after, we'll switch to the summer hour. Some people have a bit of a toll with the change of the hour. Yes. Does it affect you or not?
I'm user of the iPhone, so it goes automatically. Luckily.
So you don't wake up late or anything
No,
when it
luckily
happens?
not.
Well, Kamil, I need some details so I can fill in this tradition of prime time, this document. Name and surname, please.
Kamil Willinsky,
Kamil Willinsky.
still 33,
Date of birth?
6th of August,
6th of August. You're a
1989.
1989. You're a Leo.
Yes.
You were born in
Poland.
Poland?
Small city in Poland.
a small city in Poland. And what's the name of the city?
Nowa Dęba.
Nova Demba. I won't even try and write that because I'll definitely get it wrong.
Yes.
And you're currently residing
In St. Julian's.
St. Julian's. Profession,
Editor, journalist.
editor and journalist. How long have you been living in Malta, Kamil?
It just passed 3 years.
And which,
Past 3 years, really.
which phrases or which Maltese words you commonly use?
I mean, kif inti, I think, is commonly known.
That was the common phrase you use. Upon arrival in Malta, the first few days here on the island, what are your fondest memories of those days?
I mean, really and truly, it feels like from any point you are, within 10 minutes, you just reach like another beautiful beach or like a cliffs. So it's like a kind of little paradise, really.
Before you moved here, you used to live in different cities, right?
Yes. I lived in London and in Amsterdam.
When speaking about an individual's experience in a different country, you always explain that the success of that particular individual, it all depends on his energy.
I think really truly comes down to this only, right? We kind of should ask the question like what we're good at and pursue.
After a couple of months living on the island, you immediately got busy and you launched your Wilinsky Magazine,
Yes.
which I'm describing to my viewers as a digital archive of the Maltese people.
Yes, because as well we were going by the slogan like people and places that shape Malta. So that was that infinite.
But what inspired you? What kicked off this idea?
I mean, so if you think from like a foreign perspective, if for example I enter the country, so what is the best way to get to know about the country, like from the people itself?
And you managed to get in touch and you managed to interview most of the most influential people on the island.
Yes, luckily yes.
Since you're here, we need to get some gossip now. We need to ask
Let's
some
go.
questions which I would like you to reply. Like, for instance, if we speak about punctuality, who was the latecomer? Were there any latecomers or everyone was on time? As Maltese, we're
No, I
never
guess
on-
like the politicians get to be very busy, so they maybe arrive a little bit late.
It's always an excuse.
Yes, but no, but still, the moment is so precious, so it's okay, you can wait.
And who was the most difficult to get to?
Oh, that's a good one. I think the President of Malta. It's been a couple of months of waiting, but definitely worth it.
But then even you managed to interview the president of Malta.
Yes.
And who was the most talkative? The one who couldn't stop speaking?
Maybe Minister Ian Borch,
He couldn't stop speaking.
I think especially about football. So it was a fun moment.
Kamil,
Yes.
when you interviewed the Malta Film Commissioner, Owen, the pressure was definitely on, and you started encountering some mishaps, right?
I mean, yeah, so imagine. So for me coming here, just getting to know Malta in general, then I have this walk like in this Malta Film Studios, so it's like huge place. So then kind of everything has to be perfect. So we are in the office, we launch the interview, and then, halfway through, the mics are not plugged in. But then it's like, oh God, this is the place that cannot happen.
And what
But it
did you do?
happen.
Did you stop the interview or you actually...
No, you just have to keep on smiling and carry on.
You kept on going then.
Yes.
When you were choosing your new fittings, you probably weren't thinking of the times you were rushing to work, the delicious dinners, life's sweetest moments, life's big changes, and when you just needed to quench your thirst. Experience life with Bridgepoint.
Kamil, I know you're a foodie, and I'm a foodie as well, and obviously I couldn't resist that this conversation leads us about food. I want to know a bit more about the Polish food. Like, for instance, which Polish food do you miss most?
I think anybody who even visited for once, you cannot resist not to try Polish dumplings.
And according to Polish tradition, grandma always prepares the best one,
Always. And they always will feed you loads of them. So
And the filling of the dumplings is always different, or is it like
Can
a
be different,
staple?
but the most classic is like ricotta, onion, and pepper. So this is like the golden recipe.
And do you eat them with some sort of a side, or is it like an appetizer?
I mean, in Poland, big portions, so you just eat that portion, and for
Alright.
sure it'll be enough.
Bigger than Maltese portions?
Yes.
Yes?
Yes.
I
That's
thought
like kind of trademark.
I thought that our portions were quite generous. And
We can compete on this for sure.
I was quite impressed that you've been living here on the island for 3 years and you haven't tried some of our most staple dishes. So for today, I've prepared a food challenge. Musica maestro, please. I'm gonna move next to you on that seat. So basically, over here, we have four most common Maltese dishes. And besides being a food challenge, it's also a language challenge. Because basically, once you try each of the dishes, you need to tell us which ingredient you think is the main ingredient of that dish. And if you get the answer right, you will get to learn that ingredient in Maltese.
Win-win,
So it's a double action challenge. Let's start off with the first one, which is the Maltese sausage.
Yes.
Some do prefer to eat Maltese sausage raw, some prefer to eat it as an appetizer or with some soup.
Yes.
So what's your opinion? Because I know that also in Poland it's quite popular, no?
Yes.
As a dish, not the
So I
Maltese
must
one.
say yes, it's very good.
It's very good.
I like it, yes. Classic.
And which meat you think is the main?
It must be pork.
Pork, yes. And the Maltese pork is called
Mayal.
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 Pork is mayal. The second one is a dip. It's a very, very popular dip on the island. It's bagilla. Basically, we eat
Should I
it.
try now? It's a good moment.
Yes, yes, of course. We eat it with every occasion. We eat it whenever we prepare drinks with friends, barbecues, or whatsoever. And I need to know from your end, in your opinion, which is the main ingredient of this dip. So let's first hear your opinion about this dip.
No, it's quite nice, interesting. Like a pate. Everybody likes it, you know.
Yes, not everybody likes it. Some
Based on bread, is it?
no.
No. Beans?
Yes, beans. In fact, it is a bean pate. And the Maltese beans, we call them
Fazola.
Fazola.
Okay.
So far we've learned mayal and fazola.
Perfect.
Let's go for the third dish, which is also a dip. It's arioli. I mean, an advice between friends, never order arioli on a date or never eat arioli before going on a date.
Why? It's too basic or what?
No, because the main ingredient is a bit pungent. And what's the main ingredient of that dish?
Now I think it's bread.
It's bread, but it's also garlic. So the main ingredient is hops, bread. But there's also a lot of garlic in that. So if you're on a first date,
taste it now,
obviously, there's going to be trouble. Fourth, last dish, you either love them or hate them.
Okay.
Snails, and we call them babouche in Maltese.
Babouche.
Babouche.
All right.
Some people are simply disgusted by the looks of it. No, we kind of eat it all.
All?
Yes.
Okay. On the safe side, I just try out.
And what's your opinion? You either love it or hate it, and it's okay to be honest about it.
No, it's nice, interesting.
It's
good
interesting.
to try things for the first time.
Exactly. And we call them
Babouche.
babouche. Kamil, thank you so much for being such a
you very
great
much.
guest.
Pleasure.
Thank you so much. We have some small gifts as an appreciation for joining me this evening. Għandna ftit regali żgħar għalik fil-fatt grazzi għalkun għalik għandna selezzjoni sabiħa ta' prodotti kun li jekk tikkombinhom mal-ingredjenti favoriti tiegħek toħroġ dik it-toma perfetta. Kif ukoll grazzi għal yogiti għalik għandna selezzjoni sabiħa ta' tejjiet naturali li jekk talaq il-ġurnata bihom tkun qed talaq il-ġurnata bl-iktar mod perfett. Kif ukoll grazzi għal Sky Spirit Fitness Lounge għalik għandna membership u tista' żomm ir-rutina tiegħek tal-fitness. We are also taking care of your fitness routine. Thank you so much, Kamil, and have a great evening. Lilkom it-telespettaturi, inħeġġiġkom teqgħu hemmhekk ħammorru wara f'żer ta' reklami, niġu lura u nilagħbu kontra 30 sekonda. Thailand Style huwa ħanut tal-madum ġdid f'Birkirkara Bypass, viċin ir-roundabout ta' Ħallija. Ħanut fejn l-għażla kwalità u prezzijiet jimxu jitfit. Għand Thailand Style tingħata attenzjoni individwali lil kull klijent sabiex ikun żgurat li d-dar jew kamra tal-banju li tkun qiegħda tiġi kreata tkun unika u bi-stil li finalment tirriżulta f'sodisfazzjon għal min ser jużata kuljum. Jekk qed tippjana d-dar ġdida tiegħek jew tixtieq tbiddel il-kamra tal-banju, kun ċert li żżur Thailand Style f'Birkir Kara Bypass.
Thailand Style. Follow us on Facebook.
United Colors of Benetton.
Għalina n-nisa l-uġieħ ta' darba fix-xahar mhux xejn sabiħ. Elif Feminex hija mediċina ġdida li tnaqqas l-uġieħ tal-perjied sa 12 siegħa u tnaqqas il-volum tad-demm fl-ewwel 5 ijiem biex int tkun tista' tkompli bir-rutina tiegħek. Il-mediċina ġdida Elif Feminex tinxtara mingħand l-ispiżjar.
Baroness is a low-in-fat, lactose-free cheese, which is rich in calcium and natural milk protein. Baroness is made from Austrian pasteurized milk. Keeping you healthy, Baroness.
When you were choosing your new fittings, you probably weren't thinking of the times you were rushing to work, the delicious dinners, life's sweetest moments, life's big changes, and when you just needed to quench your thirst. Experience life with Bridgepoint.
St. Thomas Hospital is the newest and one of the most advanced hospitals in Malta, equipped with cutting-edge technology and state-of-the-art equipment. Our 3 operating theatres, radiology department, inpatient and outpatient services are here to take care of you. This is St. Thomas Hospital.
Total, a range of high-quality tools at affordable prices, offering value for money both for DIY enthusiasts and professionals. Total is a great choice. Total Tools Malta. Follow us on Facebook.
F'dan il-programm qed jidhru xi prodotti kummerċjali.
Insomma, kifet jiena jew tħobbhom jew tobodhom. Jiena nħobbhom ħafna. U dat tip ta' challenges li konna l-bebbux misna nibdew nagħmluhom iktar spiss għax jogħġbuni. Jien ma fadali xejn ngħidilkom ħelfu grazzi tal-kontu miegħi l-lejla, sfortunatament m'għandniex ċans biex nilagħbu kontra 30 sekonda daw is-sitwazzjonijiet ma tantx jogħġbuni notar jiena x'hekk ikollna pjanat li nilagħbu kontra 30 sekonda, nilagħbu kontra 30 sekonda. Pero ma importax għada ħaniltaqgħu ħanilagħbu kontra 30 sekonda għall-episodju kollu għed ninnotar. Jiġifieri reġistra l-partiċipazzjoni tiegħek billi tibgħat SMS fuq in-numru 50612100. Qabel inħallikom nixtieq ngħidilkom li fil-ġranet li ġejjin ħanħabbru kompetizzjoni ġdida ma' United Colors of Benetton. Żommu widnejkom miftuħin, segwu Prime Time ħalli tiksbu d-dettalji kollha kif tistgħu tipparteċipaw. Tistgħu wkoll issegwu s-socials tiegħi u fuq owenbonici.tv hemmhekk issibu d-dettalji ta' kif tistgħu tipparteċipaw. Isimgħu minni parteċipaw għax jekk terbħu ma jiddispjaċikomx. Nawguralkom il-lejli tajjeb, grazzi tal-kontu miegħi u saħħa.
Prime Time qed jiġi mossal lilkom grazzi għal
If it's cheese, it's Fior di Vita.
This is the new Seat Arona
At Continental Cars.
Esprit.
Sterimar Block Nose Baby, prodott naturali, mamur mill-ilma bahar. Sterimar, nifs aħjar, ħajja aħjar.
Experience life with Bridgepoint.
Prime Time jirringrazzja lil Jennifer Demek, the makeup artist.
Logo Express.
Privé Hairdressing.
Eva Garden.
F'dan il-programm deru xi prodotti kummerċjali.